Hello, I want to show you how you could solve both these problems using model drawing, in other words using unit bars. I do apologize that they came out so close together, so I'm going to do the work down below. So we will do the Taylor problem, we'll do in red, right here. And then the Morgan problem we'll do in green, further down the page. So I apologize for that, just to give us space. So let's look at Taylor baked cookies. She ate 3/7. So we're going to make a unit bar that represents all the cookies. Right, so that's all the cookies that Taylor baked. She ate 3/7. So these were eaten by her, right? Then we know that that happened on Monday and Tuesday. She ate the 8 remaining, so these 4 bars have a value of 8. So if each bar has all the bars have a value of 8, each bar has a value of 2, and we know 7 2s is 14. So in other words, she must have baked 14 cookies. Okay. Let's look at the Morgan problem. Morgan was playing with her Nerf gun. She shot 2/3 of the Nerf bullets during the game. Sorry, how about if I say 2/5 of the Nerf bullets? I apologize for that. Not 2/3, I don't have my glasses on. We have these remaining, right? Those were not shot during the game. Those, if she had 12 Nerf bullets remaining, 12, so what plus what plus what is 12, or 3 times what is 12? So we know that 4, 3 4s is 12. So and these would also be 12 because they'll represent the same value. So how many bullets did she start with? Well, that means she started with 20 Nerf bullets. Hopefully by seeing this kind of jogs your memory and kind of refreshes you as you go to solve the problems during this week. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you.